Citirian. Are you ready to boost your knowledge with this exciting quiz? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let's start. What is a group of lions called? Pride. What is a group of crows called? Murder. What is a group of fish called? School. What is a group of wolves called? Pack. What is a group of elephants called? What is a group of eagles called? Convocations. What is a group of dolphins called? Pod. What is a group of owls called? Parliament. What is a group of camels called?